All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be taking a look at SOFI, okay, SOFI Technologies. It is up massive again today, okay, up 16%, 16.5% again right now at the time of this recording. We're looking at the 5-minute chart right now. So yesterday, I gave you guys a video. I said, hey, I told you guys, hey, I happen to get a fill in right here at the bottom. All right. And then we rallied massive in after hours. Okay. And I said, hey, if we come back down, there's a daily gap to fill, right? This blue box. If we come back down, okay, we need to find support in this oval. All right. So I gave you guys an oval and I said, hey, we're probably going to dip. We need to find support in this oval. If we hold support in this oval, we're good to continue rallying. Okay. So what did we do? We kind of had a triple bottom right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's a bullish pattern. And then we rallied some more. Okay. Consolidated. And then things went up again. Today, and as you can see, it's up at like $16. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the options trading tycoons discord real quick. So if we look at some of the profits from today, you can see that SoFi, I got over 100% on the debit spread. I had a couple of those, just holding one left now. And then also I hedged myself. Okay, it's 11:47, so at 11:39, about 10 minutes ago, I bought a hedge on SOFI. I bought the SOFI 16 puts that expired basically tomorrow. And the reason I did that, okay, is because let's take a look here. All right, in the past 2 days, this thing has ran up over 36%, right? So it's going to be really hard to keep that type of momentum up, right? To be able to go up 18% a day, right? And a lot of times when things run up big like that, they take a breather and they need to breathe just as hard. Okay. So I'm still holding some SOFI bullish positions, right? That I'm in profit in. But just to secure myself and hedge myself against SOFI dropping. If it drops and it gets to 16 or below 16, then those puts I bought for $50 a piece will turn into profit and I'll be able to sell those for profit. And I may have lost some of my profit on my SOFI calls, right? But I gained profit on the puts. So either way, both of those will still be able to sell for a profit, right? So that's one way to hedge yourself and protect yourself in this market. All right. So, SOFI can continue rallying. This is really good sign to me. Okay. I've been preaching to people to buy it at like 13 to 15, especially if you are like a long-term investor and you're looking to just buy shares and hold over the next 5 years. Then that's, I think, why we're seeing a lot of this bank pressure. Okay. They did have a good news catalyst with the bank. They got a bank approval that came out. And if you guys like SoFi and you want to invest with them, because I really like investing with them, you can invest in stocks and crypto. And use my SoFi link in the description below. You'll get $25 to invest in stocks or crypto of your choice, if as long as you use that link. And I think you just have to deposit maybe like $50 to $100. Okay, so use that link in the description below. There's also a link in the description to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where you can gain access to our call outs and our exits. So you can know when we enter a position, whenever we exit a position, etc. Right? That's really useful. So yeah, use code Zachly for a discount on the Options Trading Tycoons Discord for your membership. And then also go ahead and, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Okay.